be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the Sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Hey y'all, happy Vlogmas. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jada Simone and you're watching Jada's channel. So as you guys can see by the title of today's video, we will be doing a Style by Simone try on haul. So for those of you who do not know what Style by Simone is my own personal brand that I started about 2 years ago, and it's an online clothing boutique, but I also create customs for people, so people can come to me like, oh, I want to make this, and I can make it for them. I'm like a master with the sewing machine, so if you guys ever have any ideas, make sure you DM me on Instagram. And if you're not already, make sure you're following Style by Simone's Instagram page. It's at Shop Style by Simone, as well as go ahead and check out my website. It's www.shopstylebysimone.com. and also make sure you're following me on Instagram at all things Jada Simone. So the purpose of today's video is to show you guys this new shipment of inventory that I just got in for my brand. This box, whew, is heavy. It's packed with a whole bunch of items. So I will be showing you guys the items as well as trying them on, and you know, just talking all about the quality and all that good stuff. So if you guys would like to see what Style by Simone is all about, and if you'd like to see all the amazing stylish pieces we have, please keep on watching. So the slogan of Style by Simone is a style that's also versatile, and I'm pretty sure you guys will see from these pieces that Style by Simone is very statement but very versatile. All my pieces that I feature on my boutique are statement pieces that are pieces that can last you a long time. They're all quality. My vendor does not play when it comes to quality, honey. Like, these are pieces that you will probably have in your closet for years. They're statements, but they're also staples at the same time. This shipment of inventory that I have in is part of my new collection for the fall/transition into winter time, and it is called the Girl About Town collection. This collection is based off of the chic, young, trendy city girl who is always looking for fashionable statement pieces. She doesn't want to look like everybody else. She doesn't. She wants to look like her own person. She wants trendy pieces, but she doesn't want the trendy fashion over pretty little thing pieces that are just like quick fashion. She wants good quality stable pieces that can be in her closet for years to come, even pieces that she could pass down to her children eventually one day. So yeah, I hope you guys like this collection. So I just took out one of everything in a size small because that's my size, and I will be trying on, you know, one of everything. I can't try on all of them. I can't try small, medium, and large on for y'all. So I will be trying one of everything and, you know, discussing the quality and all that good stuff. So the first thing is this leather dress, and when I tell y'all, the leather is such good quality. Like, it's not a thin leather at all. It is a very thick leather. I love this dress. It's my favorite dress. It has this cute collar to it, this cute pointy collar, and it also comes with a belt for you to cinch it, so you can wear the dress straight up and down as is, or you can pair it with the belt. Nonetheless, this dress is perfect. So the next piece I have is another leather piece, and when I tell y'all, my leather my faux leather pieces are very much quality. So it is this faux leather jacket. It's cropped, and it doesn't look like much with me holding it up, but it has like this like sleeve detail. You guys will see everything, and I'll also insert pictures of the mannequin wearing it. And it also comes with a belt to tie a bow in the front, and I just really like this. This is very, very statement. Like, this is such a statement jacket. I love everything about this jacket. Okay, so the next piece I have is this denim shirt jacket. So it's just very different. As you guys can see, a lot of these pieces are very different. You don't see them on everybody else's Instagram boutique at all. Like, not at all, nothing similar. So this is just really cute. It's not much, again, it's not much to see with me holding it up, but you guys will see that it's very stylish and just very different, like something that you'll gravitate towards a lot. And the denim is very good quality. It's like the same denim as like jeans. Very, very thick material, and amazing quality. Okay, so the next thing is another faux leather piece, and it is this faux leather beret. It has the ties on the outside so you can make the hat tighter or looser. It has like a cute little tab right here to make it look like, you know, an authentic beret. But I feel like this is so cute, and I added it to the collection so that it could pair basically with all the pieces. I like for my accessories to be very versatile. Like our slogan is, a style that's oh so versatile. So I like for my pieces to be able to mix and match together, and this is a piece that can go with literally everything that I'm showing you guys in this collection. Okay, so the next thing I have is this kind of layered blazer. Y'all, when my vendor presented me with this, I fell in love. So it is just like this blazer, but it's kind of like stacked. It's like a blazer stacked with another blazer stacked with a shirt. Like, this is very different. This is really a statement piece, and you really have to have fashion sense and a style to be able to style this piece. Like, this piece does a lot. Like, it does a lot. It says a lot. It is a lot, but it's just very stylish and different. Like, when you wear this, people are gonna say like, hey, where'd you get that from? And you can say from Style by Simone and send them to my website. Okay, and last but not least is, I think this is probably my favorite piece from this collection. It is this jacket. This jacket is so bomb. It's like that layered jacket trend, basically. It's just so freaking cute. Like, so cute. So cute. And it's very thick, very good quality, very warm. The Sherpa part is very warm, very soft and thick. And then the denim part, again, is like the same quality material as denim jackets. I just love this jacket. Like, you guys will probably be catching me in this jacket all on my Instagram. If you guys haven't, again, please follow me on Instagram at allthingsjadasimone so you guys can see how I style all these pieces, because I literally wear my own stuff. Like, I wear the other brands and stuff, but I make sure I wear my stuff and I promote it all the time. So yeah, and also follow Style by Simone's Instagram as well at Shop Style by Simone so you can see how other people wear it, because I definitely always do tag my customers. And I also tag my friends and stuff that wear my pieces and support. So yeah. Okay, and I also forgot to show you guys one of the custom pieces that are a part of this collection and my clothing brand. So like I said before, I do make custom garments like 100% from scratch, but I also do customized garments, and these are my SSLV Louis Vuitton inspired jeans that are a part of my Girl About Town collection, and these are just so stinking cute. Like I said, statement staple piece in your wardrobe. These are a very thick, good quality, doesn't really have a lot of stretch, but they're very thick, good quality mom jeans, and I just threw on this Louis Vuitton inspired print, hand painted by me. That is just so freaking cute, guys. Like, please get into it. My customers have really been loving these jeans, and I do too. I try to wear these every chance I get. The style is just so classic, and the design is classic as well. This is the classic Louis Vuitton print. Like, who doesn't like these? Like, get into these for the season.
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas